fucking hair. Too early for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. I forgot to even open this vlog because I was too busy in my house getting ready. But we're waiting outside the piercing shop. It opened at 12 o'clock, but nobody's answering the phone yet. So hopefully they're there because nobody has time to wait for them all day. We got places to be. My hair appointment got pushed back to 3:30 because I don't know why, but it just got pushed back to 3:30. She pushed it from 4:30 to 3 o'clock, and I was at 3:30. So yeah, hopefully the piercing guy is there. He said he'll be here in 15 minutes. I called him, he did not answer his phone, so I don't know. I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning.
Okay, so we got our piercings. As you can see, my aunt ended up getting the same one as me because, like, I convinced her because why not? But now I'm about to be on my way to my hair appointment. And I will see you guys when I actually get there because my appointment is at 3:30 and right now it is 1:45. So I'll see y'all when I get to my hair appointment. Alright guys, so I'm at my hair appointment and she's probably gonna start when I get in there because I'm actually on time.
I made a mess, keep up with the jet. I'm about to catch, I double the bed. I'm in the stretch, from south to the west. Where's the best, get home with a check. He done fucked up, put some dough on his head. Came me knocked down, left the nut on the list. When this catch up like a motherfucking tread. Yeah, nigga fucked up tryna hide the pie. Drum on the stick on the side of switch. Call up a little pretty vibe, pull up and let him massage the dick. All that you knew ride, we whipping and swerving all kind of shit. Whipping and running, my little niggas pulling up gun and they hear when they trying to hit. I started running, we shooting rats right in their stomachs and leave them inside. Ain't nothing funny when you got a bread on the onion, look like you frying the bread. Hit her on Sunday, she still wanna ask me for money, she gon' end up dying. Got me some hundreds and still gotta keep it 100, cause these niggas count.
Alright y'all, so my hair is done and I'm hungry. My stomach is growling. I could finally go to Chick-fil-A because I am starving. She ate. Ooh, and my piercing, like, it just looks so good. Alright, I'm probably gonna go to Bloomingdale's because they have a nice Bloomingdale's over here. So I'll see y'all when I get downstairs. Bye.
Hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh.
So guys, I'm trying to do my coat shopping right now and they don't even have what I need. They only have black. Like, that's so plain, bro. Oh my god, look at these. These are so cute. All of them. So yeah, I'm about to try on some Uggs. Let's see if they fit.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip.
Guys, I got my Chick-fil-A. Now I'm going home, so I will see y'all when I get home. So it's the next day, and I know I probably never closed out the vlog properly last night, but right now I'm about to go to the grocery store because I'm having an event with my friends, and my mom needs to cook me mac and cheese. Her mac and cheese is the best. So right now I'm going to the grocery store to get the supplies that I need to make it, and I'm kind of in a rush because I still have to work out. So I will see you guys when I'm at the grocery store. What are you supposed to get? Because I wanted the cookies. Alright, y'all, so I'm getting mad snacks because today is the Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson fight, and I'm getting mad snacks right now because I need to be ready and prepared and entertained. I got the stuff to make the mac and cheese though. The cheese, the eggs, the milk. I feel like my mom's just making me food shop for her house. I feel like my mom's just making me food shop right now. I don't even think she's telling me to get what I need. I think she's just telling me to grab little stuff that she needs. But it's okay. I basically got all my ingredients. I'm trying to get a pan right now. I don't know which pan I should get, but at least they have them. Last time they did not have any pans at all. Back in the house, and I don't know if y'all know, I just got back from the supermarket. My aunt is about to take me to practice for my road test, because if y'all don't know, now y'all know your girl is about to be retiring from being a passenger princess. So yeah, she's coming here to practice driving with me, and then I have to start getting ready because I have an event, like I said. So yeah, so I'm about to take y'all along on my little driving journey, I guess. I don't know. Put my seatbelt on. Hi guys, so I'm about to get ready for my friend's gathering. I don't know if I told y'all, but yeah, my friend's having a gathering and I'm about to get ready. Right now it is like 6 o'clock. It starts at 7, but yeah, you know, it's black people timing, so nobody's really gonna be on time for anything. I did take my earrings out because they were irritating me, but I'm about to switch them. I might switch them back, but I'm about to unwrap my hair because I did take a nap. I did sleep for a little bit. So we're about to just get ready right now, and I need to fill in my eyelashes because I was sleeping and it came out. Also my thumbnail came off, so I have a lot going on.
And I'm going back there tonight. You know what's on my mind this time. Going back there tonight, and you know what's on my mind. So
Shirt that I got, no, it's not Skims, but it gives very much Skims. And then I'm wearing these pants that I got from TikTok shop.
I just wanna know, is you my friend? I just wanna know